got ourselves another product. It is from Parkside. Parkside is like a poor man's Makita, okay? A poor man's Milwaukee. Okay. It is supposed to be an impact driver. It's got 170 Newton meters, and it actually came with a 2 amp hour battery. We can forget about that. And so in order to get the most performance out of it, I went ahead and got the 4 amp hour battery. And supposedly with the right type of adapter, this should take off your lug nut. Let's see how true that is. So this right here, okay. Actually, let me set my cameras. This has to be one of the worst videos I've done. I'm so not prepared. We're on this street. I'll tell you, I miss my old apartment. I used to have a garage there. That way, when anything comes up, I'm always ready to fix my stuff. Didn't have any need for a mechanic. But ever since I moved out of my old apartment, moved to a ghetto apartment, so to speak, where everybody parks on the street. Now, my car's neglected. I actually came back from the mechanic, and that's why I'm only just changing my tires in winter. See snow? Crazy. Anyways, so our box is open. Let's see what the content is. What's that? Oh, cute little thing. Dirt cheap. It says Parkside. See that? You got your gears. Let me just do the 4 amp power battery and just see what these bad boys are made of. So poor. I am so not prepared, and it's colder than the son of a gun. I mean, at least for me. All right, we got a 4 amp power battery. Slide it around. I can see as well grays on the outside, right, where you have the 1/4-inch NVO, and it has a nice battery display on the direction button right there. It's also a brushless model, which is actually indicated on this side, and here you got the parameters, 170 Newton meters, and yeah, put your 1/4-inch adapter. Right? And now. This is so funny. Actually, is anybody out there crazy enough to try and take off your lug nut? Take off your lug nut using an impact driver. All right, this one. You could tell you have some nice torque. Here's gear 1. And gear 1 supposedly is rated somewhere at 80, 85. Well, second gear should be like, I'd say, angry, just screaming. Second gear is supposed to be somewhere around 125 Newton meters, whereas the third one should be around 150, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wow, nice. Nice. Powerful, to say the least. And the last one's obviously 170. That's the maximum power. Oh, okay. All right, so putting in the first gear. Probably can't see that. All right, so the first gear isn't working. Put it in the second gear. See if anything's smoking, nothing's smoking, just, took it off. Took it right off. Did you see that? Anyway, let me tighten it once again. And then round robins, okay? Let me put in the first gear, third gear, then get to the fourth gear, press it one more time, and then round robin goes right back to normal. All right. Now I'm thinking of, what is it called? What is that? So something fell off. I hope this fall off from a new machine, okay? Anyway, let me just put it inside just in case of incasity. Anyway, the second gear took it off, which promised 125 Newton meters. And these Lugnuts torque down to 110. Hopefully, because you know, when your car just coming from a mechanic, they have this habit of over torquing your lug nut, so you can't really tell. Alright, struggling with that obviously. In first gear. Put it in second gear. Second gear, struggling. Try this. Second gear. Alright. It says no. No, second gear. Now the third gear. Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm closing it. What a fool. I'm closing it. Anyway, spin it this way. So we have like half charged batteries, okay? So of course, maybe that's the culprit right there. As you already saw, the second gear took it off effortlessly, whereas took it off, took it right off. The third gear took it off with much issue. So it struggled a little bit, but on the second try, it took it off without any issues. All right. But maybe that has to do with the fact that I already torqued it right down. Now try the fourth gear on the one we were struggling. Easy peasy. Alright, so we were struggling with this on the second and the third gear. And when I changed it to the fourth gear, it took it off effortlessly. So second gear on this both gear. Oh, tightening it once again. Oh Lord. Second gear, all right? I mean, you probably can make it out of the camera, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. This is a nice tool right here. I was contemplating keeping or not keeping it the other time, but after seeing it perform, I know this is a keeper right here. I'm gonna be able to do a whole lot of work around the house, and then all my scooters, my lug nuts, or whatever it is I'm working on in my engine, and you can never tell, right? And it's a cute little tool. As you can see, it's 12 volts and costs a little to nothing, okay? It only costs $50, all right? Whereas the equivalent of this from Makita or Milwaukee or DeWalt would have costed an organ or two, all right? Whereas with $50, you get a nice, cute little impact driver right here, all right? Look at that. And yeah, any battery probably cost me less than $30. So 30 plus 45, 50, that's $80, cute little impact driver package right here, right? And it stands on its battery. Look at that. 12 volts. All right, I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to grab you one of these, or at least an equivalent in the Makita ecosystem. Alright, so that's 112. Okay, Parkside now. Try the second, actually the third one. Alright. Alright. I was in third one, and now let's see if, all right, so I guess the Parkside's gonna be my favorite, okay? Because it's just a whole lot lighter than the Makita, except the Parkside, it's an impact driver, so I'm gonna be able to use it for other stuff around the house, on my scooter, whereas this right here weighs a little over 2.5 kilos, I guess. I think around 2 kilos, all right? Whereas this one is as light as feather. Love it. My new favorite tool. Of course, this setup right here is wobbly because of course, see how long it is. So I'm gonna have to find a better solution to that. But as far as I'm concerned, this right here, whereas this, all right, so that is my time. It's been Sub K. I'll see you in my next video. If this isn't your cup of tea, I got another video right here for you to go check out, and I'll see you there. Peace out.